guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Indian Sibling. Today is the day when I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube. Let's see which one I pick. Aha, a 3x3. Let's solve the 3x3 today. Scramble this cube a bit more. It looks pretty scrambled. Let's have a look around. This is how a scrambled cube is. Now, I'm going to solve it. It's solved. As you can see, I solved the cube layer by layer. Tomorrow, I'm going to share you the video how to solve the first layer. My mama, my uncle basically taught me how to solve the cube. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.